this is my sister. Hi, my name is Sahana. And today we are going to be teaching you how to draw Barbie as a princess. Let's get started. So we are going to be needing, we need pencils and erasers, markers, and some Sharpies to trace. By the way, we have some cute erasers. I got a flaggy and I have a parrot. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is the face of Barbie. So we're going to start somewhere up on your paper and draw a circle. Then we will erase some of the part above. So it'll be like a curve. Now let's draw the eyes. You guys can use whatever kind of eyes you want, but me and Sahana will be using cute eyes. Make them small. So the lashes are just going to be simple curves, okay? Simple curves, that's all. Let's move on to the smile and then we'll do the eyebrows. So the smile will be a nice happy smile because we want Barbie to be happy. Let's say she's going to the ball and she's very excited. So let's give her a nice smile. Nice big smile. I think. Yoo-hoo! Can you see yours? Oh, he did the same thing. It looks so cute. Now let's make some eyebrows. So we want them to be pretty simple. Now we'll start the hair. So first we're going to make a parting line and we're going to go from the center all the way to the middle, but then go a little side. And we'll make a point. Great job, Sahana, you did amazing. And now we are going to make like a very tiny bird right on that point. So we're going to make this and then this. Let's do the hair starting to get long. Now let's start drawing the neck. Let's imagine the armpits are right here, and we'll draw an angle line for the dress. Now let's move on to the hands. I'm going to draw her other hand on her hip. There. Now I'm going to finish off some designs on her dress. And I'm gonna make a heart. Now I'm going to be putting some dimension on my skirt. Let's finish off her feet. Let's make her some boots. So cute. Now I'm going to finish off my hair. Now let's nicely put a tiara because she is a princess. Here is Barbie Princess going to the ball. She looks very happy. I hope you had fun drawing Barbie, but now we can't forget some color. So let's get started. I'm gonna outline first. Outlining is one of my favorite parts, but my favorite part is to draw. So I outlined it, and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to start coloring and doing the hair. I'm going to use some peach to do her body. So I think right now I'm going to go do the outfit. This pink is like a very nice strawberry pink. It's a nice pink for an outfit. I'm going to do the top a little darker pinks. I think I'll just use this pink. Okay. And I'm gonna make her shoes. It's nice blue. Almost done, just have to do the tiara. Alright. this is Barbie, all ready for the ball. I can't wait to finish off the background, and I'm going to be doing the background like there's a big walkway. You know, the red carpets they do for special people. So for the background, I'm going to use this red for the walkway. Make believe that the line is going across of her body, and it's going to make it all the way right here. There. And now I'm going to color it in. So the walkway is all done. So we're all done with the Barbie and the rug. So see, that's all done. Oh, the background is still white, so we're going to color it in. I have a blue, and you want a blue? You think we'll just pick. Which one? I think I'll take a blue. Yes, blue. Wow. What's that? You could have your dress like slim like mine, or you can have it puffy like Sahana's. We are all done with the coloring, and here are our pictures. And now we're going to even it out with this tiny paper. We're going to make it all blend in like with the picture. And that wraps up our video. And Barbie is now ready for the ball. Make sure to subscribe and like. Don't forget, we are the world of art. Bye for now.